Planting, growing, and harvesting Charleston Gray watermelons is a rewarding process that spans several months. Here's an overview of the steps we took. Planting. We started with seeds saved from the previous season and transplanted the seedlings in a sunny location in our garden with well-drained soil, making sure all danger of frost has passed before planting. We planted the watermelon seeds in the starter pots about 1 inch deep. We prepared the soil by incorporating compost with well-draining soil. Germination and early growth. We water the soil consistently to keep it evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Watermelon seeds usually germinate within 7 to 10 days. Water the seeds well after planting. Once the seedlings have a few true leaves, they are ready to be transplanted. Watermelons require consistent watering throughout their growth, especially during hot and dry periods. Vine growth. As the seedlings grow, provide support for the developing vines using trellises or stakes. Pollination. Watermelons require pollination to set fruit. The bees and other pollinators helped with this process. We made sure to avoid usage of pesticides that could harm the beloved pollinators. Fruit development. Watermelon vines will produce male and female flowers. Female flowers have a small fruit at their base. Once pollinated, the female flowers will begin to develop into watermelons. We monitor the growing watermelons, ensuring they receive adequate sunlight and the roots watered well. Ripening. Charleston Gray watermelons take around 85 to 100 days to mature, depending on conditions. Look for signs of maturity, such as a dulling of the fruit's skin, a change in color, and a creamy yellow spot where the melon rested on the ground. Harvesting. We used garden shears to cut the watermelon from the vine, leaving a short stem attached. The thump test can also help determine ripeness. A ripe watermelon will produce a deep, hollow sound when tapped. Enjoying. Once harvested, store the watermelon in a cool, dry place for a few days to enhance its sweetness. When ready to enjoy, slice the watermelon open and savor the juicy, sweet flesh.
Watermelon sugar high.
Remember that growing watermelons requires patience, consistent care, and attention to the needs of the plants. With proper care, you'll be able to experience the joy of planting, nurturing, and ultimately enjoying your own homegrown Charleston Gray watermelons. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.